Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to draw a beautiful sea beach landscape. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, we will start by drawing the horizon line. Lightly sketch a straight line across your paper about one third from the top. This will separate the sky from the sea. Next, let's draw the ocean below the horizon line. Add some gentle waves. Use smooth curved lines to create a sense of movement in the water. Now it's time to draw the beach from bottom of the paper. Draw a slightly curved lines that meet the ocean. This will be the shoreline. Make the beach look more natural by adding a few small bumps and curves. To give our beach some character, let's add a few details. Draw some seashells, small rocks, and maybe even a starfish scattered along a shore. What's a beach without palm trees? Draw a few palm trees by starting with the trunk. Use curved lines to create a slightly bending trunk, then add the palm leaves on top. Each leaf should be long and curved, fanning out from the top of the trunk. Let's add a beach umbrella for a touch of relaxation. Also, draw a boat at the center of the sea. Start with a small circle for the top, then draw the canopy with curved lines coming down from the circle. Add a pole and a base to complete the drawing. Now let's move on to the sky. Above the horizon line, draw a few fluffy clouds. Use soft rounded shapes for a light and airy feel. You can also add a shining sun is one corner of the sky. To add more life to our scene, let's draw some birds flying in the sky. Use simple M shape to create birds at the different height and sizes. Finally, let's add some texture and shading to our drawing. Lightly shade the ocean to give it depth and add some shadows under the palm trees. This will make our beach look more realistic. And there you have it, a serene sea beach landscape. Thank you for drawing with us today on Inspire Art Linkings. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorial. Happy drawing.